Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth setting in our Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you guys disconnect your Bluetooth speaker to your Realme phone guys. You want to disconnect guys your Bluetooth speaker, so friends you can disconnect. And guys now let's see how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to disconnect the speaker. So friends, you can see guys your Bluetooth setting. Friends tap here, and guys now you can see guys we have connected guys the JBL company speaker. But friend we want to disconnect. So guys, how can we disconnect? So guys you can see right side guys this icon. Friends tap here to disconnect. So you can see guys disconnect and unpair option. So friends you want to disconnect. Yes guys we want to disconnect. So I will click on disconnect option. So guys our Bluetooth speaker will disconnect. So guys we will off our Bluetooth speaker. So guys like that guys you can disconnect guys your Bluetooth speaker to your Realme phones. And guys, so friends you have understood I think friends. So guys now guys before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.